Let the function p defined as p of x equals to x negative c the whole square positive 160 divided by 2c, where c is a constant. If p of c equals to 10, what is the value of p of 12? Okay, to get the value of p of 12, we have to plug in this 12 for x over here into this function. But before that, we must be knowing the value of the constant c that we have in the given function. For that, we can use this information. That is p of c equals to 10. And we know that this is the stuff we have for p of x. Now to get the stuff for p of c, we have to plug in this c for x over here. Then we get c negative c the whole square positive 160 divided by 2c equals to 10. C negative c is 0, the 0 square is 0, 0 positive 160 is 160, and in denominator we have 2c equals to 10. 2 goes into 1 times and 2 goes into 160, 80 times. We have 80 over c equals to 10. Let's take a reciprocal on both sides. Then I'm getting c over 80 equals to, on the right side, the reciprocal of 10 is 1 over 10. Let's multiply both sides of the equation by 80 to solve for c. This 80 will cancel out. 10 goes into 10 1 times and 10 goes into 80 8 times. I'm getting c equals to 1 times 8 is 8. Okay, here I got the value of c. Let's plug in this value 8 for c into the function p of x over here. Then p of x equals to x negative 8 the whole square positive 160 divided by, when I plug in 8 for c over here, we get 2 times 8, that is 16. Now the function p of x is complete. To get the value of p of 12, we have to plug in 12 for x over here and also here. Okay, then we have p of 12 equals to 12 negative 8 the whole square positive 160 divided by 16. Okay, let me continue over here. P of 12 equals to 12 negative 8 is 4, and we have 4 square. The value of 4 square is 16. Positive 160 divided by 16. P of 12 equals to, when I add these two numbers, I'm getting 176 divided by 16. P of 12 equals to, when I divide 176 by 16, I'm getting 11. Here I got the value of P of 12, that is 11. We find 11 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.